Alright, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be opening up this box right here. 2019-2020 Upper Deck Series 1. Sidney Crosby on the cover. So it's supposed to be 8 cards in 10 packs. So it's a good amount of cards right here. So let's get started. Plastic. This is cool. Look how they have it set up in here. It's pretty sweet. So you get the best of both worlds. So I'm actually pretty excited about this. So let's start off with this pack right here. O-Pee-Chee Glossy. So let's do that. Let's see what's in here. I'm just opening this one up because it's the first one that was on top. So I'm just going to go based on that. So we got some rookies here. Got Erik Brannstrom, Ottawa Senators. Got another rookie, Ryan Poehling, right? Montreal Canadiens. And this guy again, Erik Brannstrom. So the other one seemed like it was just the regular card, and this one is actually like a bronze color. So yeah, let's get started. Actually, I don't know any of those rookies, so hopefully they're good. All right, here we go. Pavel Buchnevich, first one. I got a Ranger. Always an amazing way to start the pack. So we got TJ Oshie, really good player, good card. Jason Zucker, good player. What else we got? Cam Fowler. Ooh, Alex Ovechkin. Oh, that's nice. Great player. Hall of Fame, future Hall of Famer right there. What we got here? Duncan Keith. That was pretty cool looking. This is Jeff Petrie. And this is Tom Wilson. All right. I got some good cards in there. That Ovechkin and Pavel Buchnevich from the Rangers. Definitely was the two best cards in that pack, I should say. So this is Philip Danault, the Canadiens, Montreal Canadiens. Martin Jones, goaltender, goalie. James Van Riemsdyk. Oh, check this out. Andrei Shenshenyakov. Jersey card. That's pretty sweet. Game worn jersey card. That was hard to top right there. Matt Calvert. And Sam Reinhart. Buffalo Sabres. Wow. So that was intense. Let's see if there's any autos in this. Oh, here's a good one. Matthew Barzal. For the Islanders. Elias Lindholm. Tyler Seguin. Dallas Stars. Ooh, another Ranger. Ryan Strome. All about those Ranger cards. And another Jasper Fast. Yeah, unfortunately, he just signed a deal with the Carolina Hurricanes, but love seeing him in that Rangers jersey. Oscar Lindblom. This is Philip Forsberg. And Brad Marchand. It's a sweet card too. I like that pose. Alright, so far we're on a roll. Drew Doughty. Good one there. Christopher Fishner. Or Christian Fishner, I should say. Oscar Klefbom. I got another portrait here. Chris Letang. Penguins. Let's see how it. Sweet. Zach Bogelstein. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but then we got Richard Raquel. Jordan Wheel. Montreal Canadiens. And we got Morgan Riley. Toronto Maple Leafs. So I got 2 portrait cards, so that's pretty good. A jersey base card and a few Rangers, new ones. Connor Hellebuyck. Goalie. Mikko Koskinen. Koskinen. I think that's it. Yeah. Nick Bonino. Thomas Hurdle. Robert Thomas. St. Louis Blues. Jean-Gabriel Pageau. It's Merivin. Tevo. Pretty sweet card. And lastly in this one, Jake DeBrusk. are new faces that I haven't seen before, so I'm probably mispronouncing a lot of their names, but part of the game. Michael Company. David Perron. Sweet jersey too. Frank Bartrano. Oh, this one's pretty sweet. It's a canvas card. Laz Lindholm. That's pretty sweet. If you guys can tell, this is very like a matte finish card. It's pretty sweet. Shea Theodore. Bobby Ryan. William Nylander. Pretty sweet jersey. Lastly, in this one, Marcus Foligno. Minnesota Wild. That canvas card looks pretty sweet. Kuznetsov. And for the Capitals. Brent Burns. Thomas Tatar. Josh Anderson. Yes. Young Guns, Adam Fox. Rangers. I love getting Rangers cards. Ryan Nugent Hopkins. Plays for the Oilers. Edmonton Oilers. Tyler Johnson. Tampa Bay Lightning. And good old Ilya Kovalchuk. Used to play for the Devils. No longer. Let's see what else we got in here. Going to the last two packs here. Let's see. Anthony Cirelli, Tampa Bay Lightning. Jacob Chitron. Oh. Matt Dumba. Matt Picciarelli. Young Guns, Connor Timmins. Sweet. Got that Sidney Crosby. You already know. Holla at your boy. This is Pietrangelo. Alex. And what we got here? Keith Yandel. Used to play for the Rangers. Now with Florida. Alright, here we go. Last pack. 80 cards broken down. The last 8. Dylan Strome. Blackhawks. It's a sweet card. Franz Nilsson. Dougie Hamilton. Hurricane. Got another canvas card. Vladimir Tarasenko. See that finish. Sweet card. Nick Leddy. Islanders. Cam Atkinson. Oliver Bjorkstrand. Columbus Blue Jackets. And lastly, Ryan Reeves. Maybe he knows Keanu. So that's it, guys. Some good stuff here. Some good rookie cards. Got a game used jersey card. No autos, but hey, got some really good stuff in here. So overall, I think it was a good box. No complaints overall. I think there was a lot of good canvas cards, a lot of portraits, young guns, and like the game worn jersey card. So I think all that stuff made up for it. I think it was actually a solid box. If I had to rate it, I'll probably have to say 8 out of 10, in my opinion. But yeah, off to the next one. Take care, guys. Peace.